Pami is a kind of drink.
Pami
is a kind of drink. Sweet like sugar, color like pink milk. Everybody like Pami. Oh, yes.
This thing. My brother, I am going to go there.
Oh, yeah, let you get got your rope over it. Amadio. Amadi, more bottle, please. Because we thank you.
You people are disturbing me here. This is the 15th bottle. Here, 15th bottle. I know why I'm saying this thing. I know why I'm saying this. This is the 15th bottle you people are taking now. I'm on me. And so, you know when I say, it's because of my payment. It's because of my payment. Oh, come on,
I can see that you have a doctorate degree in insulting people. Yes.
Mom.
You got to school illegal. You already are in the mad.
Oh yes.
Can you imagine this rubbish?
Rubbish.
Eh?
Get
from here, you.
Get out. I know what I'm saying, you know. Oh, come on. I'm saying this is because we don't allow credit here. I know my credit.
You know the command now.
I've
gone to Lagos. I've tried in Lagos.
When I was in Equatorial Guinea,
yes. You know the problem is that I blame myself
for coming to this local place.
A very local place. I need that in lot of Cubana. I need that Cubana. I will deal with you.
Look at your clothes. It's okay. Papa dash me. As I leave him, that reminds me. You said you had something to tell us that time.
Yes, that reminds me. I do. You won't believe what happened today. Jay! And that is how I left that one in the middle of Okay, my
seriously? Olympic.
I mean, open the apartment.
Yeah, Amadi. If you run your mouth, you run your mouth.
Victor and Co. You people called me. Why are you calling me?
Amadi, I want you to calculate our bill. Go and bring your calculator inside and calculate our bills.
On our bill never reach to press for calculator. Your money is 8,000 naira. Please pay me.
Oh, Amadi, I want you to permit me to tell you something.
What is it?
What I want to tell you is very, very private. Do you understand? And don't tell it to anybody.
I won't.
You're a monkey. Yes! You're a monkey. Yes!
What's this now? Wait, Aziza, because I told you, when I'm on 8,000, that is why you're calling me a monkey. You're insulting me. Aziza, Akwaya?
Hey, see, Amadi, in case you don't know me, in case you don't know me,
tell you who you are.
There is a ticket change.
Talk to this boy.
You think there is a ticket change? Can you just imagine? Go in there and bring a calculator.
Go in there.
Calculator will not pay.
We will not pay anything here.
Yes, calculator.
Do you think that 8,000 naira is a chicken money?
Wait, it's not that I don't have calculator. Wait, let me bring my...
Oh, you even have a calculator? And you want to insult me? A great personality like me.
Oh! You see? When I'm money na still 8,000 naira, you don't see him.
Well, let me see.
You don't see him. Are you seeing it? In a fear.
It's not like that we cannot pay. I don't care about him.
Imagine, look at my deal.
A personality like me, I am a limited in lot of Cubana.
Senior monkey like you.
Village.
Pay him.
Ordinary 15 bottles.
What is 15 bottles? What is 15 bottles? When I was in Panya, I can finish one.
I'm waiting for my money.
5 crates at the same time.
Okay, Peter,
ordinary 8,000.
You are embarrassing me. I'm paying. Pay him 8,500.
After paying you, make sure you are fired.
Yes.
A dignity like me, you are embarrassing me.
One that shall never end, though. I'm waiting for my money, though.
Wait, your money is coming.
Relax. Relax. Give me a second. Relax. The money must be somewhere. It's like,
inside the landing.
can't find the money.
Are you sure you even put that money in your pocket?
What are you saying? Do I look like an abnormal person to you?
I can't find the money. I'm not after shouting here. We will pay these people.
I am waiting.
You man, wait there.
But I remember that I put the money in the same pocket I put my catapult.
Then, have you seen your catapult?
Look at now. Get out. Hey! I knew it! Hey!
Oh, you could have waited to hear and collect that money from him.
Oh. How could I have known?
See, this is no time of pointing fingers. We are in all this together. What do we do now? What do we do?
But I have a plan. Let's do like we are not going to pay. Let's act like we are not going to pay. And we'll run the test. That's a very good idea.
That's a very good one.
Yes.
Now, you pick the reed. Immediately you stand up, all of us, JJ, who?
No comment.
Yes!
don't have money.
I will not pay again. I'm not paying again.
We are not paying a dime
Yes.
here. We are not paying a dime. What nonsense?
I will not pay
You
again.
have insulted us.
Wait. What did I just hear you say?
Yeah. What is there that you cannot understand?
We are not paying.
What's that?
We are not going to pay.
You people think I'm playing here, where? Wait, just wait, let me call my boss. Who knows what in Army Barracks this night?
How about you?
Cannot do anything.
Okay, now wait, just wait.
You cannot do anything. I'm a barrack. Is not this one like
Contact
this?
you with a phone, okay?
Oh! You are even making call. Look at you. Can you prepare?
Imagine this one.
Who is your guy? I said Oga Company, who is your guy? You know me. Don't
this
idiot.
idiot.
You know me. Who is your guy? Oh! You think you can intimidate us with the soldier?
Why you on your wall?
You think you can intimidate me with the soldier?
Talk to this guy.
Who are you? Who is your guy? Who is your guy?
You think I'm joking?
Oga, you cannot do anything.
Oh, wait, okay, man.
We are finished drinking and we are not going to pay. Period.
We are not paying again. I said we are not paying. Don't beg me, oh no! Don't beg me. Don't tell me to calm down. Don't beg me. They must rot in jail. Both him and the Oga. I will deal with them. I will make sure that I live with them in a way that they will know I'm in charge. Don't beg me. No! Don't tell me to calm down. No! I will deal with this rubbish.
Okay.
Okay,
I am.
Guys, stop me, oh! Stop! I swear to God, stop me! I swear. They send me. They have been using me. They are the ones that send me. They said I should be shouting. Is it not true? Am I lying? They said I should be shouting in your bar. Oh, it's not me. They are the ones that sent me. Oh, I swear.
Which people send you? Which people?
Thank you for asking this question. Look at them, oh. Huh? Hey, what? Oh, that they were here. They were here. I'm telling you, they were not lying. Oh, they were here now. How can I be lying? You told the truth. Say the truth.